Hello, this is Rod Tolliver with the Group Economics team here to go over how you turn the $25 into well over $10,000 over and over again. Before we go and break down the compensation plan, I just want to share, even as a free member, because you get access to this back office as a free member. When you become a free member, you have access to our travel portal where you'll get discounts on travel. And you also have access to our savings club where you'll get access on shopping and dining. So even as a free member, we provide value for you. Now, to get involved in the Freedom Cycler, you must become what we call an active pro member. And to become an active pro member, it's $14.99 to become an active pro member. And then you'll have access to the Freedom Cycler. And here is a one-time payment of $10. Gets you involved in the Freedom Cycler. Then you're going to share this with two people. And when they join the team, they will pay your sponsor $10. And now you'll have access to your pay line. And then the process starts. You will be receiving, as those you help those two people bring in their two, you will receive 10 times 4 or $40. What you want to do is take a portion of the $40, 25 of the $40, and go into the next matrix. And once you reach your pay line on that matrix, you will receive 4 times 25 or $100. You'll take 50 of that 100 and move into the next matrix. Once you reach your pay line in that matrix, you would receive 50 times 4 or $200. Again, repeat the process again. Going into the $100 matrix, you would take a portion of your 200 to go into the $100 matrix. Once you reach your pay line, it would be 100 times 4 or $400. Repeat the process again, going into $250 matrix. When you reach your pay line there, 250 times 4 or $1,000. Moving on to the $500 matrix. Once you reach your pay line there, it would be 500 times 4 or $2,000. Again, moving into the $1,000 matrix. As you reach your pay line there, it would be 1,000 times 4 or $4,000. Moving into our last matrix, $2,500. You reach your pay line, it will be 2,500 times 4 or $10,000. And you started this with a one-time payment of $10,000 and shared it with two people. And then all you did was take your profit or your earning and move into the next matrix. After you finish the matrix, you can go back into the $2,500 matrix. You can go back into all the matrices. So you can be cycling in the 10, the 25, the 50, the 100, the 250, the 500, the 1,000, and the 25, all at the same time, just for the one-time $10. And so this information, we thank you for watching this information. We thank you for looking at the video. And I'll just close with this. There are 3 types of people. One is, number 1 is saying that I like what I've seen. I'm ready to get started. We welcome you aboard. Number 2 is I've liked what I've seen. I just have a few questions. And number 3 is thank you for the information, but this is not for me. I'm closing in saying, which one are you? Whichever one you are, we thank you for your time. We thank you for looking at this information, and we will see you at the top.